Palmer, social media journalist at the Financial Times. And I've just finished having a very interesting dinner in Helsinki at the Hotel Camp, where we've been talking about new CIO strategies for the digital age. And we were very lucky to have 12 CIOs from the leading Finnish companies who are all talking about how their job is changing, what challenges they're finding in their jobs, and actually what they think that the future will look like.
My name is Mika Sarhimaa. I am the Managing Director of Hewlett-Packard in Finland and the Baltic countries. Best part of my work is to meet people, meet customers, so I really enjoyed having very high quality, knowledgeable people around. The discussion as such, I didn't put too many expectations, but I think what was achieved really was the kind of sincere feeling of everybody having the chance to speak freely. Well, I think that the people in the room were really experienced leaders, so they seemed to have a clear understanding what their position in the organization is. So I think that the topic kind of as a big question, I think the time has passed. So the people know whatever their title is, but they seem to know that the content of their work is clearly understood and addressed in the organization mainly. I didn't hear anybody really say that, okay, I don't know what my position is. Of course, the future is then an interesting question, that what will happen in the...
My name is Tiina Tauru. I'm working at HP. I'm the HP Enterprise Country Director. And I'm responsible for the consulting and outsourcing services. My impression on the meeting and how I took it, I think there was a lot of people from different kind of industries, and if we were speaking about about going digital, so some of the people in manufacturing industry, they were thinking that this is a hype and nobody will ever go there. Then some people in the banking industry were thinking that we've done this already 10 years ago, so what's the beef inside of this? It made me also think that are we making this a bigger number than it actually is? Is this really that people are just starting to use different kind of methods, how to utilize digital data and so on? And I also think that when we think about when people were saying that there's a lot of changes, big changes happening in the IT industry, then again, if you compare with what happened 15, 20 years ago, when mobile phone was discovered and people were using it, I think it was much bigger change than the ones that we are actually speaking right now. But I think because the cycle, it is all the changes are going so much faster, I think that is why people are feeling that it's much bigger topic than it is.
Well, it's a wider range of things that you have to manage. So the connection with business, it is as a content to your daily work. I think that's really a great opportunity to people to have a position, really feeling that they are part of the leadership team of the business, compared to maybe the earlier days where it was more like your technical specialties and capabilities that mattered. So I think the change is positive towards the role of CIO and also for the people. And a lot of, I think their feelings really is dependent on how the strategy is understood, how IT is playing part in the strategy, how clear that is to people, not only in the management teams, but also to kind of every layers of the organization.
Well, if you think about the role of the CIO, I think it has changed a lot. So I'm not sure whether it's harder. Maybe it's harder because of the cycle and because it's also that every single individual user that you have in the company, they have their own view how they're using, and it's much stronger today than it was 15 years ago. And I think that this is what the CIOs are actually finding hard, because when somebody was saying in the meeting that if you take some kind of if you say that this is the credit card that you need to use in the company, that is a standard. Nobody will go and say that, okay, I'm going to use my own because I want to get my points from MasterCard, although the company is using American Express. What happens with IT is that people will come when they are saying that we have Lenovo as a standard and you will get this one. So some one person will come and say that, no, I want to use iPad, and this is the one that I'm used to it. So if you have 1,000 people's organization, you will have 1,000 experts telling you how to do your work. And I think that is the challenge.
This group of CIOs was really looking very broadly at all kinds of future technologies. We were talking about 3D printing, we were talking about robotics, we were talking about driverless cars. So it seems clear to me that they're keeping very actively an eye on what's coming next, and even the sort of slightly more old school industries like mining are thinking about whether 3D printing is something that they need to get into, whether the Internet of Things is something that they can apply to their factories so that they can keep down the maintenance costs. So they're very proactive, and the one message that I sort of got from all of them was that they do not want to be surprised by technology. They're looking broadly and they're looking deeply and they're thinking about this constantly.